everybody? It's Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyer, back with another free resource for you. Today, we're going to talk about LLCs, 3 things you need to know. The first thing you should probably know about LLCs is how to form them. Forming an LLC is different in each state, but each state follows a similar process. Oftentimes, you're going to create an operating agreement. You're going to create articles of organization. And then you're going to file with the Secretary of State where you want your organization to be located. You can file as a foreign or a domestic entity. A foreign entity just means you're not from the state that you're filing in, or your business isn't from the state you're filing in. And a domestic entity is that you reside in that state or your business resides in that state. It's important to note that your LLC can also be member managed or manager managed. Now, member managed is just a fancy way of saying the members of the LLC, the people who are making up that LLC and creating that company, are the owners and manage the LLC. A manager-managed LLC is when a third party or another entity is managing that LLC. They may not necessarily be an owner, but they run the show. The second thing to know about LLCs is that they come with liability. Now, what's liability? Liability protects your personal assets in the event that the business fails. LLCs are great companies to start and great business entity choices for a lot of people because they want to protect their personal assets. They don't want their business to fail and then now they've lost their house. Limited liability companies come with this liability that protects your personal assets. Now, there are certain circumstances where other entities can get to your personal assets through an LLC entity, but these are far few and in between. And these circumstances are circumstances you should consult with a lawyer on. Oftentimes, they're when you and the LLC are acting as one person, or you have bad faith, or you've done something purposeful or with malice. These circumstances don't happen too often, but they're out there. The third thing you should know about LLCs is that there's more to it than just filing with the Secretary of State. You need employment agreements, yes, between yourself and your business, even if it's just you and your business. You need business accounts, you need contracts, you need employment agreements for any other employees, you need operating agreements, you need articles of organization. You need to decide if you want to elect as an S Corp, which comes with more IRS documentation that you have to fill out, more fees, more filings. These are things that come with creating an LLC. It's not enough to just pay the $50 or $60 or whatever fee it is to the Secretary of State and file, and now you have an LLC. There are periodic reports you have to keep up with. There are other things that you may need to seek the services of a lawyer for. You're starting a business. Invest in it. And investing in these other types of documents, investing in legal help, investing in the things you need from these perspectives is very important, even when you're forming an LLC. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been LLCs, 3 things you should know. Once again, I am Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyer. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.